Wear your sunglasses and run towards a fun summer vacation.
Yippee!
Let's read with Little Learning Lou.
Hooray!
Let's go. My summer vacation. It's your turn to read now. My summer vacation started in May. It's your turn to read now. I packed my clothes and toys. Let's see if you can read. We traveled to my grandparents' house. Let's see if you can read. The road trip was long and exciting. It's your turn now. I ate cold mango ice cream. It's your turn now. We played in the cool water park. Let's see if you can read. Grandma told us funny bedtime stories. It's your turn now. We watched stars in the night sky. It's your turn to read. I drew pictures and read storybooks. Let's see if you can read. We flew kites in the evening breeze. It's your turn now. My summer vacation was happy and exciting. It's your turn to read now. Good job, kids! Please like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel Little Learning Loop to continue with more such reading sessions.
Yippee!
Thank you for watching.